A little boy named Hasib wishes to surprise his dad on his birthday, and with the help of his clever pet cat, called Whisker, they decided to bake a special cake to surprise him. Whisker, an extraordinary talking cat known for her precision and elegance in baking, takes charge of the operation.
Whisker, it's Daddy's birthday, and I want you to help make him the best cake ever.
Okay, young master, we'd better get whisking. To the kitchen.
Together, they follow each step of the cake-making process in their cozy, rustic kitchen, filled with magical baking tools. From mixing all the ingredient in a cake mixer, pouring the batter in a baking pan, and baking in the oven. Along the way, Whisker teaches Hasib about teamwork, creativity, and the joy of doing something special for someone you love. Whisker proceeded in mixing all the ingredient needed in decorating the cake, and they both baked and decorated a beautiful birthday cake for his dad. Hasib's father is so surprised and happy for receiving the best gift ever from his son. They both gather round the cake to celebrate with him.
Daddy, it's a special day. Gonna shout hip hip hooray. Got balloons and cake all ready for my hero, oh so steady. In the morning with the sun, we'll have all kinds of fun. I can't wait to see your smile. Wanna stay here for a while. Happy birthday, Daddy dear. Clap your hands and cheer. Blow those candles, make a wish. Add some sprinkles to your dish. You got magic, Daddy powers. There'll be castles, count the hours. Always there to catch my fall. Love you big and love you tall. Daddy, when you laugh out loud, you make me feel so very proud. Every day you light my way, always brightens up my day. Happy birthday, Daddy dear. Clap your hands and cheer. Blow those candles, make a wish. Add some sprinkles to your dish.
Message and wishes to Dad. Dear Daddy, happy birthday to the best dad in the whole world. Today, I want to tell you how much you mean to me, even though I might not always have the words to say it. You are my hero, my teacher, and my best friend all wrapped into one. Thank you for holding my hand when I'm scared, for cheering me on when I try something new, and for always making me feel safe and loved. You teach me to be brave, kind, and strong, just like you. I hope one day I can grow up to be just like you. A dad who loves with all his heart and always puts his family first. The cake I made for you today might not be perfect, but every sprinkle, every little decoration, and every bit of frosting has love in it because you deserve the most special birthday ever. I hope this year brings you as much happiness as you bring to our family every single day. Thank you for being my daddy and for filling my life with laughter, hugs, and the best bedtime stories. I love you more than words can say, Daddy. Happy birthday. Love. Your little boy, Hasib.
Wow! This is so beautiful. I love it. Thank you, my boy.